Hello everyone, today I want to teach you how to create link for media files and how we can link an email, phone, Skype and fax to the web page. For linking media files, first we want to know what is the different kind of media you can use for the web page. PDF, WAV for audio, MP3 audio, MPEG/4 for video, SWF for flash file, and how we can write them. Application /PDF for WAV audio, X WAV audio, MPEG for audio, for MPEG4 for video, MP4 for SWF for flash application, X shock wave flash. Now I'm going to write a code. A link and then href okay, I'm going to bring the PDF file. After PDF file you have to write which type, application PDF, and after that we have to write target. You know what is href and what is target before I teach you. Blank, and then I'm going to write PDF. When I save this, you can double click on the file, or you can see this PDF. When I click here, it's open on the separate file, not the same page. For the other media file you can change it. Instead of here href, you can write the other location and type, for example, audio slash write audio slash X wave. This is for the audio file, and then target blank. Wave. When you double click here, it will be gonna open the other file, the audio file. This part I didn't change because I don't have any WAV file in my system. You can download from the internet and put it on your computer, and here you can put your WAV file here, and you can practice one by one with other files. Now I'm going to tell you how to put email, telephone, fax, a Skype link on the web page that everybody can see in the contact us and call you, email you, and fax you, or even Skype you. Now I'm going to write a code. Href mail to, and after that write a content mail, write email address. And for the others like that, href tell and after that telephone number, tell for the fax, href fax fax now Skype, href Skype the username, I write it username here after Skype, and I save this file. Double click. For email, you open an email that you are going to write an email for a Skype. The site will gonna open the Skype web page that you can contact us via Skype, and this is telephone number and this is the fax number. All of them you can write it down on a contact us page. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.